Welcome to Tara Talks, your go-to channel for fashion, technology, and lifestyle insights from around the world. Today, we are diving into the biggest fashion trends of 2025. From global runways to Indian streets, let's explore what's defining this year's style. Globally, fashion in 2025 is all about bold self-expression, comfort-driven silhouettes, and reimagined classics. It's no longer just about minimalism. This year, it's personal. Styling is getting adventurous with accessories like bag charms, hair ornaments, and asymmetrical shapes that create visual drama and individuality. Bohemian aesthetics are making a comeback. Flowy fabrics, handcrafted details, and relaxed fits dominate both vacation and city wear. This carefree, artistic vibe blends effortlessly with elevated accessories for a modern twist. French chic remains timeless. Structured blazers, tailored A-line skirts, and classic top-handle bags define elegance, now reinterpreted with playful or oversized details to keep things fresh. Preppy is back, with a sporty edge. Polo shirts, pleated skirts, and tennis-inspired outfits are everywhere, often paired with bold shoes or unexpected layers. As we shift seasons, transitional dressing is key. Lightweight trench coats, layering knits, and versatile button-downs help bridge summer and autumn seamlessly. Color trends are bold and expressive. Pistachio green is leading the way as the shade of the year, joined by saturated tones like cobalt blue and fuchsia for maximum impact. In denim, skinny jeans are out. The spotlight is on loose, wide-leg fits that prioritize both comfort and effortless style. It's all about relaxed cool. Accessories are playing a bigger role in storytelling. Oversized jewelry, scarf skirts, statement belts, and sculptural handbags are elevating even the simplest outfits. Now let's talk about what's trending in Indian fashion for 2025. Traditional wear is undergoing a modern transformation. Pre-stitched saris, contemporary lehengas, and ethnic jackets are being paired with Western tops and sneakers, creating an Indo-Western hybrid that resonates with younger generations. Sustainability continues to rise. Indian designers are embracing eco-friendly fabrics, handloom textiles like Banarsi and Chanderi, and upcycled materials that speak to a more conscious, responsible form of fashion. Indian streetwear is bolder than ever. Bright neons, graphic prints, and oversized silhouettes are dominating both casual and occasion wear. Cobalt blues, lime greens, and pinks are the colors to watch. Minimalist ethnic wear is gaining popularity. Simple, pastel-hued kurtas, straight-cut suits, and lightweight fabrics are perfect for everyday elegance without compromise. Gender-neutral fashion is making waves. Fluid, unisex silhouettes and inclusive sizing reflect a deeper cultural shift toward diversity and identity expression. Technology is also becoming part of the wardrobe. AI-designed outfits, digital fashion shows, and smart accessories are merging creativity with innovation. Comfort remains at the core. Maxi dresses, jumpsuits, and palazzo sets are loved for their ease and versatility, while youth-driven streetwear like joggers, oversized tees, and hoodies continue to dominate urban fashion. Sheer fabrics such as organza and chiffon are trending for evening looks, bringing romance, drama, and lightness to festive wardrobes. So what are the key items you need this year? Think trench coats, crisp knits, and tailored shirts for layering. Look out for leopard print ballet flats, sequin skirts, and collarless blazers for standout looks. And don't forget Mary Jane shoes, hobo bags, and tailored suit vests for a dose of vintage charm. On the ethnic side, flowy maxi dresses, palazzo pants, and stylish pre-stitched saris offer that perfect fusion of tradition and trend. Fashion in 2025 is about celebrating your unique identity while embracing a global spirit of creativity, comfort, and sustainability. Whether you love bold statements or minimalist elegance, this year's trends invite you to express your story through style. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tara Talks for more fashion updates, tech trends, and daily inspiration. See you in the next video.